check out this and other products at our showroom in San Diego or online at www.fitdir.com.
Replacing the M1 footboard. Place the handle into the most forward position near the forward riser pulley. Remove the handle rest bolts. Once the handle rest bolts are removed, pivot back the footboard. Using a 5mm Allen key, remove the bolts on the bottom inside of the footboard. Remove the current footboard and replace it with your new footboard. Using a 5mm Allen key again, replace the bolts on the bottom inside of the footboard. Pivot forward the footboard. Once the footboard has been moved, replace the handle rest bolts. Place the handle back onto the handle rest.
Come check out this and other products at our showroom in San Diego or online at www.fitdir.com.